Um, haven't posted any videos lately. Reason it being is not because I've been busy or anything, and I, well, I have been a bit busy, but most of it I could have recorded, but I haven't had I haven't got my GoPros yet, so I haven't been able to record them as well as I wanted to. I guess I could have done it on my phone still, but um, just because I'm, kind of bored right now, but mainly I've just wanted to post a video soon, so I'm just recording a video on my phone now. But I haven't got much to record, so it's going to be a pretty short video. I will be actually getting my GoPros very soon, hopefully. I think within the month. Getting a ski pass, like a season's pass for a hill around here. So I'll be snowboarding once there's snow on the ground. There isn't really any right now. Snowed last night, but none of it stayed. So I will be doing that, and I've worked on my car. I wish I recorded that, but I guess I never thought of it. I've done a bit of work on it, so it's looking better now, and I've got underglow on it, blue. Was going to get red, but then I realized that, I don't know if it's illegal, but so I just chose blue. And I've done a few interior lighting. I still have to hook up the switches for that, so I might just do a quick video on that as well. It'll probably take around 10 minutes to do that, so it won't be as short as the video as this one is. So I'll be working on my car a bit, maybe this weekend, so I'll have a video of that coming very soon. It'll just be on my phone again, so won't have the GoPros that early. But I will eventually get the GoPros and start recording some stuff with those and posting them as well. But right now I was just playing around with some little firecracker cap gun things that I used to play with when I was a kid with my cousins. But I just found them again. I thought they got illegalized, but found them at the dollar store, so I bought a few, and I've just been playing around with them. So I'll just have a short video of me playing around with them, and hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll probably say bye at the end of the video, so enjoy. So, these are the little cap things. If you've ever seen them, they're kind of fun to play with. And I just found a little bolt that fits into it. Just nicely like that. Now I got my hammer, and I will just fire them off. Woohoo! That added a little more kick to it than I thought it would. Let's prop this up a bit better. Bit higher. Hopefully that works. But I don't know if you saw it, but they have quite the kick to them. Here's the next one. And I'll just go through them. kind of fun to play with. And a lot of fun to just watch explode. But if there's any kids watching, just be careful that you don't hurt yourself. I'm pretty sure they're not that bad. You might get a bit in your face or on your hands, which doesn't hurt bad, but I am very used to pain. I'll talk more about that in the future. But I've had tons of injuries, and I highly doubt I'm done. So just be careful and try not to get hurt. If you're a kid, have an adult with you. I'm sure they'll enjoy playing around with them with you. So, yeah, let's continue. They even explode open, which is fun. And sometimes get stuck like that, apparently. Last one for this round. There we go. You go through them pretty quickly. Let's see if this one's any better. Let's see how fast I can do it as well. Not sure if I did this one, but let's see. Yep, already did it. Well done. Well, I have a ton more of these things. These are what they look like in the package. If you're wondering and want to get them, they only cost $1.50 at the dollar store, if your dollar store has them. But they're lots of fun, and if you want to try it, you can, but that's totally up to you, and just have fun and keep safe and just have a great time. Bye.